Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Nissan Altima 2.5 faster full guide. Begin by checking compression, spark, and fluids, then list upgrades by reliability and cost. Focus on intake, exhaust, tune, and weight reduction as primary areas for accessible power. Consider suspension and brakes to handle increased speed, and always verify parts fitment and emissions rules before installation or tuning. Start with bolt-on parts that deliver measurable gains without engine internals. A high-flow intake, cat-back exhaust, and quality header can improve airflow and response on a 2.5. Lighter wheels and a performance air filter lower rotating mass and intake restriction, while a mild cam or throttle body upgrade offers further gains. Track installations carefully and measure changes with GPS or dyno runs to confirm results. Quick recommendation: if you want a distraction while you wait on parts, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for comfy reading between wrenching sessions. It's compact, bright enough for the garage, and perfect for service manuals or car forums, making downtime more productive. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tuning is where bolt-ons become real power. Get a reputable ECU tune matched to your parts and fuel. Support mods like a better radiator, fresh thermostat, and oil cooler protect the engine during spirited driving. If you aim for substantial gains, reinforce transmission and clutch components to handle added torque. Always data log runs after tuning and follow recommended break-in and maintenance schedules for reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.